In this video, I want to show you how to use the touchpad on your PlayStation Portal. Okay, if we take a PS5 controller, I'm talking about this touchpad. So the PlayStation Portal has two different touchpads and they will appear on the display if the game or app that you're using is compatible with the touchpad. If it's not compatible, nothing will happen. But if it is, as soon as you touch the screen, you're going to see those two rectangles, one on the left, one on the right, and this is your touchpad. So you can go ahead and use it the way you're doing it on your PS5 controller. Now the interesting thing about it is that since you have two of them, let's say you're playing a game where it requires you to use two fingers on the touchpad, I don't know for which reason, well, you can use two fingers but from different hands, since both touchpads are separated on the Portal. So this is quite useful. You can use two fingers on one as well if this is what you preferred. As soon as you stop using the touchpad on your Portal, it disappears, you see, after 2 or 3 seconds. So every time you press again, they will reappear on the display. Now I was pressing anywhere on the display to make them appear, but if you don't want to press and then use the touchpad, you can press the touchpad directly once it appears, so you don't have to lift your finger and press again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.